What is the point of an NFT? Some people say NFTs have no point or they're just useless. Some people see it as a form of art or just like, you know, a beautiful painting online. Some NFTs even connect to games. Checkmate. Ah, dang it, you won. Well, in today's video, we're going to be going over what are NFTs, how do they work, and we're going to even try to create our own NFT. Now you may be asking, oh, why can't you just do this? Oh, that's one screenshot. Oh, that's 4 and 5. Oh, dang. Oh my god. It just kind of, buying an NFT just shows that you have ownership to the item that you buy. Now that NFT I just showed literally sold for $69 million. Yes, 69. 69. So basically you buy NFTs on this website called OpenSea. Now this is where they are all sold, or most of them are sold, and this is where you can get all your NFTs if you are interested. So we're gonna try to create our own NFT right now, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple of the most expensive NFTs right now as well. Nice. Now basically some NFTs are connected to games. Now I feel like this is a really cool way of, like, I don't know, having an NFT. If your NFT actually has a game, then there's a purpose to your NFT. For example, if I search up dragons here, that's worth $212, and we go to properties, look at that. It has all these properties that are basically attributes to him, and if they ever release a game, they can give it upgrades. And now this is no different than like a skin in a game, you know. Maybe you're playing Fortnite and you got the new, like, I don't know, some expensive Renegade Raider skin, bro. It is basically the same thing. On the other hand of things, there are more useless NFTs like this. And look what they're selling. That's a square. I don't know, it looks like some Pokemon over here. More squares. I don't know what these are. Like, let me show you something. Alright, and boom. We have made the exact same basically value of that. Like, look at that. How is that selling for 1.7 Bitcoin? That is almost 6K right there. This green blob. I was looking for literally so long and I found this. Now guess how much it sold for? 912,000 Ethereum. $3 billion dollars. $3 billion.
Excuse me? Okay.
They copied me. Yo, wait, they copied me. So I'm gonna be trying to create my own NFT right now. Now, I'm first gonna set up an account. All right, so I just set up my account. Super simple. You just have to download this add-on, and then you can just make an account. So I've just created the cute base design, which is this dragon looking like animation. It is 2D, and I think it actually looks really cool. Now, I know a couple ideas I can make is like Bitcoin eyes. I can make those meme laser eyes. You guys would not believe the art I have just made. So first we have the laser eyes like I was talking about. They'll all be in my link but down below. By the way, just letting you guys know, just in case you want to, like, you know, buy one for like $10, $20. What we got is MOG party. You know, he's at the party getting lit with these people. He has the glasses on, and I like this one actually a lot. We got the Bitcoin eyes, money bag to his right. This boy is balling out. He's got 2 Bitcoin. You know how much that is worth, bro? This dude's got 100 racks on his eyes, bro. Now we're gonna make an OpenSea account. Also, guys, I will have my Fiverr down below if you guys want me to make you an NFT. Now I can make almost anything. I'm really good at editing on this app I use. So just buy it from the Fiverr down below if you guys want your own custom NFT. So I just finished, and it honestly took me like 20 minutes. I just had to press create, and I just added like a JP image. So the moment you guys have all been waiting for, how does my NFT page look on OpenSea? Now I like this name a lot. I feel like it is original, you know, Roar, like Roar XD, you know, but Roar also like a dragon, you know, rawr.
What the hell?
But here are the listings. So we have this original one. We have the laser eyes, which probably literally no one wants. Then we have the MOG, and then we have the Bitcoin one. Now, if you guys want me to make a video on how to animate your own NFT, then comment down below, and I will make a whole video on how to make your own NFT. But I hope you guys learned something about this kind of useless image on Google that you could just screenshot, but is worth millions of dollars. Honestly, one of the easiest things I've done in a while. It's easier than, I don't know, making a Facebook account. It is easier than unbanning your TikTok account. But I hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys learned something, and go watch my other videos. Thank you, peace out.